In Module 3, in our chapter, types of arches. Types of arches based on shape curve. First one, flat arches. Second one, semicircular arches. Third one, segmental arches. Fourth one, relieving arch. Fifth one, Dutch or French arch. First one, flat arch. When used over opening of doors or windows, the flat arch acts similar to the lintels. Flat arch, also known as straight or camber arch, is laid with its bed joints radiating to center. The screw back is made to rest in an inclined position so as to make an angle of 60 degree with the springing line. The extrudes of the arch is horizontal but introd as straight camber or upward curvature. The flat arch are not strong as compared to other forms. So next, second type is semicircular arch. The arch derives its name from the shape of curve given to an arch of it. Next, third type is segmental arch. This type of arch is segmental in shape and is commonly provided for openings of various sizes. The bed joints of segmental arch radiate from a common point, which lies below the springing line and is equidistant from all points in the arch curve. When we use over a lintel, segmental arch is termed as relieving arches. So next, fourth type is relieving arches. When a wooden lintel is required to span over wider opening, brick relieving arch is usually constructed above the lintels. The arch thus constructed relieves the lintels of the load from the masonry above, and hence the size of the lintels can be appreciably reduced. Thus, the span of the relieving arches will be equal to the clear span of the opening plus twice the bearing of the existing wooden lintels. The advantage in this type of construction is that wooden lintels, when decayed, can be replaced without affecting the stability of the structure. Next, fifth type, Dutch or French arches. This type of arch is similar to a flat arch in design but differs in shape and method of construction. These forms of arches is not so sound, and as such it is only suitable to the provided for small opening.